In longer formulas, it can be particularly challenging to work out what's causing the error. You can use the Evaluate Formula tool to step through a formula and see where the error is being caused.
So if we use the shortcut Alt-MV, or just go to Formulas and then select Evaluate Formula, it will allow us to step through the equation and solve it in the order that Excel solves it. So we'll just click Evaluate, just one click at a time, and it shows us that Excel goes and searches for what that A8 represents. That A8 represents yoga, what we're searching for, the search term. What's the next thing Excel does? It finds that for us, so it matches that in the list. So yoga is the third option in that range of A2 to A6. So 1, 2, 3. So it solves that match function and gives us a 3. And now the final thing for Excel to do is to use that index function and produce the value of 11. So this is a really useful way to walk through an equation, and if an error pops up here, you'll see that that's where the error is being caused.